Hey Fit Babes, today we're doing a full body kettlebell workout. I'm using a 20-pound kettlebell. You can also use a set of dumbbells if you don't have a kettlebell. I do want you to add a little bit of resistance to this workout. Check the corners for your next exercise. I'll let you know when it's time to switch. And let's get started with a wide stance squat.
You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I'm feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
Next, we're gonna do a stiff leg deadlift into a kettlebell swing. You wanna feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings here and keep your core engaged as you're doing your kettlebell swing.
Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I'm feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you.
Now we're gonna do single arm kettlebell swings, and if this weight is too heavy for you, try a 10-pound dumbbell instead. We wanna make sure you're not having any back pain with this, so if you are, make sure you decrease the weight a little bit.
Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
Two more of those, and then we're doing the exact same thing on the other side.
Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under.
We're really working that tush and those hammies today. We're gonna do a stiff leg deadlift, but we're gonna add a triple pulse at the bottom. I want some mind muscle awareness in that booty, and make sure your abs are engaged.
I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your heart, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
Next up, we're doing a side lunge with an overhead press. These are not my favorite. I really don't like working my shoulders. I have a fused spine, so I do not have a great range of motion. So if it looks like I'm pooping when I'm pressing this weight, I'm simply just focusing on not dropping this 20-pound weight on my head. You'll probably have a little more range of motion here, and I encourage you to explore that.
Best of luck, I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you.
Next up, we're gonna light that tush on fire. We're gonna do 10 little mini pulses, and then you get to come up for a second and right back down for 10 more. And as always, feel free to twerk at any point during this movement.
Keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
All right, now we're doing our lunge into overhead press on the other side.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone.
Next, we're gonna do a single leg deadlift with a kickback. So you're gonna drop the weight over the stationary leg and kick back with the other one. We want a nice big kick. You really wanna feel this in your booty and your lower back, and make sure you keep your core engaged as always.
With you, there are no stop signs. Counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy. Cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be.
Next, we're gonna get into position as if we were doing stiff leg deadlifts, but we're gonna do a stationary hold and then work the back a little bit. You should feel the burn in your booty, your hips, and your back. And as always, keep your abs engaged. Thanks, I appreciate it. You'll thank me later, I promise.
You're changing me day by day, got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space.
Next, we're gonna pop a squat right into an upright row. I want your elbows out, I want your shoulders working, and of course, I want your abs engaged. Are you sensing a theme here?
The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
Now we're rounding off the single leg deadlifts on the other side. Again, drop the weight on the side of the stationary leg and kick back with the other.
Give me all that. So give me all that. Don't be rude to me. Give me what I need. Don't be rude to me. Check you out. Check your style. Ditch your friends, just come and hang out. To the bar and to the back. I just wanna touch you both. Like a shot from the dark. Yeah, we girls, we know how to rock. To the edge and make the stars shine bright. Hey, hey, come with me now. You're the best thing inside of this party.
Now we're just gonna do your basic bitch kettlebell swing. Make sure you're driving up nice and hard, flexing your booty, keeping your core engaged.
So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude. So give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude to me. It's just you and just me. You behave or I put on a leash. We go down, down inside. I just wanna rock you, boy. Yeah, you're such a riot. So move your feet and follow this tiger. Let's get real, hear me roar. We are the stars, love, we're the stars tonight. Hey, hey.
Next up, we're doing some weighted stationary lunges. Make sure your front knee is not extending over your toe. We don't want any knee injuries. If your knee is crossing over your toe, scoot your front foot forward a few inches and make sure you're not leaning too far forward when you go down into your lunge. We want to make sure we're protecting the knees.
Give me what I need, don't be rude to me. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude to me. I get my kicks out of this. I'm on the Fritz and the VIP list. 'Cause I'm the queen of this club. And you just pop. Yeah, you just pop. You got your bets right outside.
And now we're gonna switch and do the exact same thing on the other side. This is the final exercise in this round, so give it all you got.
Give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude. Give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude to me. Give me all that. So give me all.
Just a few more to go, you guys. Good job for making it through your full body workout. I'd highly recommend following this up with some abs or a HIIT workout. We want to hit the 30 minutes of exercise each day. All right, you're finished. If you made it to the end of this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you never miss a super fun and effective follow along workout. This is one of the free videos in my Autumn Bottom Challenge. If you guys want to sign up for the whole series, check out the link in the description. We'll see you soon.